Upon Taro's request, this interview will be held in English. Congrats on a tough win. Please tell us a few words about your match and how it was playing against Petra Marchenko, with who you also practice often.
Well, yeah, it was a very interesting match. First of all, Petra is a great player. I have a big respect, like in tennis and outside tennis. So I was prepared to do the tough match. Well, it was, but you know, these kind of matches, little things decide at the end. I mean, we played both first and second set tie break, so I would say it was really good tennis. It was really good points as well. So just little things decided at the end.
Great. You are also in the semifinals of doubles with your partner Nika Radicic. How tough is it getting used to a different partner each tournament?
Well, I mean, I played with Nika many years ago, but it's okay. I mean, usually you speak with your partner and you see what's there, like favorite shot or something. So at the end, it's okay.
After 2 matches yesterday, how do you prepare for the next day? Today you also play doubles.
Well, at the end, it's always like really long recuperation with stretching and food and all of that. But at the end, it's easy.
Last but not least, Hajduk or Dinamo?
Well, I'm from Zagreb, so it's Dinamo, but I don't know if...
but because we're in Split, it's
Split now, it's Hajduk.
Right, thank you and good luck.
Thank you.